Would you like to have less stress in your life? Me too. Yeah, we have that in common. Life is very stressful. The world is crazy. There's stress all around us. In my research about how to have a less stressful life, be more calm, unwind, enjoy life more, I came across a neuroscience scientist named Dr. Dean Shirazi, and he explains all about stress and how we can eradicate it once and for all. So today, that is our topic. If you want to learn how to get rid of your stress once and for all, even when nothing else has worked, keep watching. It's exciting. I'm Rena, your confidence coach, and today we're talking about stress. All right, so in the work of Dr. Shirazi, I learned that there are two different kinds of stress, which made a lot of sense to me. There's the good stress and the bad stress. And he said, you can never get rid of stress. Okay, follow me through here because I know I told you I was going to teach you how to eradicate stress from your life. But the truth is, our brains need stress. So when we eradicate one stressful thing from our life, we look around and we find more. This goes way back to our caveman days when that is what kept us safe. And if we were being chased by a saber-toothed tiger, we had our fight or flight or freeze or fawn response, and we saved our lives. And if we heard rustling out in the woods, we had to be on alert, stress. That could be dangerous. If we saw something move, alert, stress, that could be dangerous. We got to save our lives. And we've continued to do this for thousands of years. So it's actually in our neuroscience, it's in our brain programming to create stress. So how do we get rid of it once and for all? The only way to get rid of stress, finally, once and for all, is to add more stress. Don't believe me? Check it out. Look it up. Dr. Dean Shirazi, he explains that you have to add good stress to replace the bad stress. Makes sense, right? So we can't just take away all stress. He says people that take away all their stresses in life, they're really stressed, they have a high stress job, they quit. You know what happens? Their cognitive level declines at a rapid rate. And their brain function goes down because our brains need stress. That's why life is a journey. We're always learning, we're always growing. That's the good stress. So if we want to get rid of the bad stress, what we need to do is not just clear all stress away, quit our jobs, leave our friendships that are stressful, leave our family, just like be alone, hermit in the wilderness. No, our brains will decline and we will become sick and we will get dementia and we will not be happy. So the only way to be happy is to add good stress. So find what is the bad stress and replace it with good stress. So someone could tell you, well, your job is too stressful, just quit your job. And you're like, that's insane. I just can't do that. Okay, but you can make your job less stressful and you can replace the stressful things with good stress. All right, some examples of good stress are exercise, doing new things. So not just going outside and taking a walk, although that is good to lower cortisol levels, right? It has to be stressful enough, like joining a team. Learning a new skill, being part of a team where you're moving your body in different ways. This is new stress for your brain. It has to figure out new things. A new hobby, something you've never done before. You have to learn how to do it first. You're with a teacher, you're watching YouTube videos, you're going to a class, you're doing it with a friend. You're learning new things. That is good stress. So the more bad stress that you have, the more good stress you need to put in. Because what happens is, if you take away all the bad stress, and then you just go outside, and you see how crazy the world is, your mind will make it stressful. Your mind will hear that rustling and see a person there. Oh, that's dangerous. Danger person, stranger danger. Your mind will see something and say, oh, I don't like that. That's stressful, scary, scary, scary. And then before you even have any conscious thought of it, your subconscious mind is stressing you out already because its job is to protect you, as we know. So anything that it sees, it will make stressful. Even if you're not being chased by a saber-toothed tiger, if you hear a rustling, your brain is going to go, oh, saber-toothed tiger, dangerous, danger, danger, stay away. So anything you watch on the news, danger, scary, stress. When your friends are telling you something that's really intense, stress, danger, this could hurt me. Even something as little as being hungry. Back in the day, humans used to die of starvation. We don't die of starvation anymore. We have all the resources we need. More than enough, actually. But we might stress out saying, I'm so hungry. I'm starving to death. I'm dying of hunger. When you say that, what does your brain do? Oh, stress, stress. Hunger used to kill us, people. I was going to say, hunger used to kill people. We have to eat. We got to find food. Soon, soon, soon. Stress, stress, stress. So if you just say something a little kinder to yourself, think about reframing the words to a less stressful way and say, I'm about ready to eat now. I think I could eat something. I'm ready to eat instead of, I'm starving. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. Well, we don't eat horses, and nobody could even begin to eat a horse, right? It's an exaggeration. But it tells your brain, words have power. Everything carries energy, and that goes inside, and it goes to your subconscious mind, and it reinforces the idea that you could die. Even though you're just being silly and explaining with a euphemism and exaggerating, you're actually using the language of your brain to tell it that this is dangerous. So your brain will find that stressful and start stressing you out over it. So to summarize, the only way to get rid of stress is to add more stress, the good kind. Good stress. A new skill, a new hobby, a new exercise, join a team, join a group, go out and find your passions, find something new to do. And then your brain will be busy learning new things and having new experiences, and it won't have to look everywhere else to try and find the stress that you're trying so hard to remove. Now, some things that you can't help, just try to change your language a little bit. Try to change your subconscious mind by being a little more kind to your mind and saying things like, well, I could eat, instead of I'm starving. I'm so hungry, I'm going to die. Even though we know that's not true and you're just exaggerating, you're not going to die. It takes like 2 weeks to die without food, as long as you have water. We know that's not true, but our subconscious mind says danger, danger, danger. If you say, I can't do that, that's too scary. Your subconscious mind says danger, danger, stress raises your stress levels. So you're always on alert. You're always looking for that saber-toothed tiger, and there isn't one chasing you. So you're not going to find it. Instead, your brain is going to find everything else and focus in on it. Hone in on it to protect you, because your subconscious mind is protecting you all the time. It's doing a great job as what it was programmed to do, protecting you, keeping you safe, keeping you small. And we like to talk about coming out of your comfort zone, being big, being expansive, changing your subconscious mind. And that is what I do. So if you would like to learn more about how to change your subconscious mind, fill out my application form. It will be pinned in the comments. And let me know if you want to change your subconscious mind. You're going to put change your mind. Change your mind in the comments. But for now, stress less, do more fun things. Stress less, do more fun things, and you will see your stress levels go down. You will have a more relaxed attitude, and you'll be able to enjoy the little things without being so scared, feeling anxious, feeling worried. It's a small step, but you'll notice the feelings right away as your subconscious mind is able to just calm down a little bit and not start looking for stress everywhere you go. All right, stay tuned for more tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.